Hello friends, this is Aditya and you're watching ElectricVehicles India. Friends, welcome to Startup Stories episode. So in this video, we are going to discuss about an Hyderabad-based startup company called Race Energy. Race Energy has developed 4 different platforms to help auto drivers. So basically, the running cost of an petrol, diesel or CNG autos will be very high. Half of the amount which they earn from their daily rides will be incurred in petrol, diesel or CNG only. So by keeping all these things in the mind, the Hyderabad-based startup company called Race Energy has developed 4 different platforms, in which the first platform is EV conversion kit. So they have developed a 3-wheeler conversion kit called RX EV 3000. So this conversion kit can help auto drivers to convert their petrol, diesel or CNG autos to electric autos. So if you pay 1 lakh rupees, they will convert your old petrol auto into an electric auto. So they will fit a motor, a battery compartment and a system where you can monitor all these things. And the second platform which they have developed is swappable batteries. So usually in many autos we can see fixed battery packs, but this Race Energy has understand the disadvantages of a fixed battery and they have developed a swappable battery system. So in this conversion kit, 4 lithium-ion battery packs will be used, and with the help of these 4 removable battery packs, the auto can travel up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. And the batteries are AIS 156 certified, that means they are safe. And the third platform they have developed is battery swapping stations. So as they have used swappable battery system, they had to develop these swapping stations. Nowadays many of the reputed companies are struggling to set up these battery swapping stations, but as a startup company they have started 15 to 20 swapping stations in Hyderabad city. So by the help of these swapping stations, a driver can easily go to a swapping station and they can swap their 4 batteries without any human effort. So the driver has to go to the swapping station and he should place all the 4 empty batteries into the swapping station, and once he done the payment, the 4 fully charged batteries will unlock and the driver has to take that fully charged batteries and he should fix that batteries into his auto and he is good to go. He can go around 100 kilometers with that 4 fully charged battery packs. So Race Energy is providing 6.9 kilowatt peak powered motor with their retrofitment, through which the auto can go up to 45 kilometers of top speed. Along with this, they are providing black and white display in which you can see range, speed, battery percentage and battery voltage. There will be a Bluetooth connectivity and 4G connectivity with this retrofitment kit, through which you can monitor battery health and you will get all the smart alerts. And the fourth platform they have built is vehicle monitoring system. This can be helpful to a fleet operator who is operating 10 to 15 of these electric autos. So you can monitor all the battery health and the location of the particular autos. So by combining all these platforms, Race Energy is helping many auto drivers to convert their old auto into electric autos and to decrease their running cost. Currently this Race Energy is operating only in Hyderabad. Soon they are going to expand these services to Andhra Pradesh also. And after that they are planning to expand these swapping stations and their conversion kits to all over India. So this is all about a startup company from Hyderabad called Race Energy. Please let us know your thoughts on these conversion kits and swapping stations. If you have any queries on this, please let us know in the comment section. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe Electric Vehicles India. See you in another interesting video. Until then, go green, go electric.